capturing fast-paced action during night sports events presents a unique set of challenges for photographers. The combination of low light and rapidly moving subjects demands equipment that can keep up, raising the question, is a professional camera essential, or can a budget-friendly model rise to the occasion? With advancements in camera technology, even affordable options now offer features once reserved for high-end gear. In this comparison, we'll explore how both types of cameras perform under stadium lights, examining their strengths and limitations to help you decide which is best suited for your needs. In this comparison, we're focusing on two cameras, a budget-friendly model and a professional-grade option. The budget camera offers accessible features for those just starting out, while the professional camera is designed for demanding environments and advanced users. To evaluate their performance, we'll look closely at three key criteria: autofocus speed, noise levels, and how each handles shadows in challenging lighting. These factors are crucial for night sports photography, where capturing fast action and maintaining image clarity can be difficult. By examining these aspects, we'll see how each camera measures up and which might be best suited for your needs. Autofocus speed is a critical factor when photographing night sports, as it directly impacts your ability to capture fast-moving action with clarity. Professional cameras like the Canon EOS R5 Mark II and Nikon Z8 feature advanced autofocus systems that lock onto subjects quickly and track them accurately, even in challenging low-light conditions. This ensures that fleeting moments, such as a player sprinting or a ball in motion, are captured sharply, without blur. Budget-friendly cameras, while not as sophisticated, have made notable improvements in recent years and can still deliver respectable performance if their limitations are understood and managed. Ultimately, quick and precise autofocus is essential for freezing the excitement of night sports, making it a key consideration in choosing your camera. When comparing autofocus performance in low-light sports photography, the difference between budget-friendly and professional cameras becomes clear. Professional models like the Canon EOS R5 Mark II and Nikon Z8 feature advanced autofocus systems that quickly and accurately lock onto moving athletes, even under challenging lighting. This results in consistently sharp images, capturing split-second action without blur. In contrast, budget cameras such as the Canon EOS R50 and Fujifilm X-H2S may not match the speed or precision of their high-end counterparts, but they still deliver respectable results when used thoughtfully. The side-by-side comparison highlights how each camera's autofocus capabilities directly influence image sharpness during fast-paced night events. Noise levels play a critical role in low-light photography, often determining the overall clarity of your images. Modern sensor technology, particularly in professional cameras, is designed to minimize noise, allowing for cleaner photos even when shooting at high ISO settings. Full-frame sensors typically outperform smaller sensors by producing less grain and preserving more detail, which is especially important for capturing fast-moving subjects at night. Budget-friendly cameras may introduce more visible grain, but advancements in APS-C sensor design have improved their performance, making them viable options for many photographers. Ultimately, understanding how your camera's sensor handles noise can help you make informed choices and achieve better results in challenging lighting conditions. When we closely examine images from both the budget-friendly and professional cameras, the differences in noise become strikingly apparent. Zooming in on the photos, the professional camera maintains cleaner, smoother details, even in the darkest areas, thanks to its advanced sensor technology. In contrast, the budget camera introduces more visible grain, which can obscure fine details and affect overall image clarity. For sports photographers, this means that while a pro camera delivers superior results in challenging lighting, a budget camera may require more careful post-processing to achieve acceptable quality. Ultimately, understanding these differences helps photographers choose the right gear for capturing crisp, memorable moments under stadium lights. Dynamic range is a critical factor when photographing night sports, as it determines how well a camera can capture details in both the brightest highlights and the deepest shadows. Professional cameras like the Canon EOS R5 Mark II and Nikon Z8 excel in this area, offering wide dynamic ranges that preserve intricate details even under challenging stadium lighting. This capability ensures that highlights remain crisp and shadows retain texture, preventing loss of important information in extreme lighting conditions. Budget-friendly options such as the Canon EOS R50 and Fujifilm X-H2S provide decent dynamic range, though they may struggle to maintain detail in very bright or dark areas. Understanding how each camera handles these extremes can help photographers choose the right gear for capturing the full atmosphere of night games. In this segment, we observe how each camera handles the demanding lighting conditions of a night sports event. Side-by-side images reveal the pro camera's ability to preserve detail in both brightly lit and shadowed areas, thanks to its advanced dynamic range. The budget-friendly camera, while competent, may lose some subtle details in deep shadows or overly bright highlights. These visual comparisons make it clear where each camera excels and where limitations might arise. By examining these results, viewers gain a practical understanding of how lighting and shadow management impact the final image quality. Comparing budget and professional cameras for night sports photography reveals distinct strengths and limitations. Professional models, such as the Canon EOS R5 Mark II and Nikon Z8, excel in autofocus speed, noise control, and dynamic range, making them ideal for capturing fast-moving action under challenging lighting. Budget-friendly options like the Canon EOS R50 and Fujifilm X-H2S have made impressive advancements, offering reliable performance at a fraction of the cost, though they may struggle with higher noise levels and limited dynamic range. Ultimately, the choice depends on your priorities. Professional cameras deliver superior results, while budget models provide accessible entry points without sacrificing essential features. Understanding these differences helps photographers select the right gear for their specific needs and shooting environments. Selecting the right camera for night sports photography depends on your individual needs, budget, and shooting style. Professional cameras like the Canon EOS R5 Mark II and Nikon Z8 deliver superior performance in autofocus speed, noise control, and dynamic range, making them ideal for those seeking top-tier results. However, budget-friendly options such as the Canon EOS R50 and Fujifilm X-H2S offer impressive capabilities at a more accessible price point. It's important to understand what each camera excels at and where it may fall short, so you can make an informed decision that aligns with your goals. By evaluating your priorities and familiarizing yourself with the strengths and limitations of each model, you can confidently choose the gear that best supports your creative vision. No matter which camera you choose, creativity and confidence are the most important tools in night photography. Understanding your gear's strengths and limitations allows you to make the most of any situation, whether you're using a budget-friendly model or a professional camera. The magic of capturing night sports moments lies in your approach and vision, not just the equipment. We invite you to reflect on your own experiences and share your thoughts about which camera has helped you shine in low-light conditions. Your insights and stories can inspire others to explore and push the boundaries of their photography, regardless of the gear they use.